Bakit ang mga Pinoy hindi tama sumagot kahit maayos naman ang tanong? Number 1, kumain ka na ba? Sagot, busog pa ako. Number 2, nandyan ba nanay mo? Sagot, bakit po? Number 3, anong oras na? Sagot, maaga pa. Number 4, paano mo ginawa yan? Sagot, madali lang. Number 5, bakit wala ka kahapon? Sagot, absent ako. At ang pinakapaborito ko sa lahat, nasaan ka na? Sagot, malapit na ako, wait lang.
I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit. You'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking.